Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add the stickers to your Discord server. So, if you want to add the stickers, what are you guys gonna do is you're gonna open up the HardReset channel here, go over into server settings and go to expression where you select stickers. Here we have 5 of 5 slots available. We're gonna click on upload sticker, and here we need to choose a file. I'm gonna choose this one, and here we have a related emoji. So we're gonna put the let's say we're gonna put the smiley one, and sticker name smiley description. So hello to our sticker. Now, as you guys can see, smiley is here. If we want to use it, we can basically type smiley, it will work. Or you can just go over into stickers and select the sticker right here. So that's how you guys can do it. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.